Inside of the footer are lots of items split into 3 columns. What if I told you this was one WordPress menu with a little bit of CSS that splits it into 3 columns? Let me explain. Inside of our footer, we have a WordPress menu. It is set to be vertical. And it's got lots of items in here because it's showing you the home page, other core or key pages, but also service pages that normally would have been part of the drop-down. But to make it easier for people, I don't want to have any of the drop-down symbols or an accordion or anything like that. So I've got everything listed vertically inside of a footer menu. This is super long, and I would rather have it split over 3 columns. So this is all I did. I went over to the Advanced tab, went to Custom CSS, and I added in this bit of code. And it has now split it into 3 columns. And if I was to change this into 2, it does it over 2. If I go for 4, it goes over 4. That is how simple and easy this is. This code is in the video description. And if it's not in the video description, it will be the first pinned comment of the video as well. So if you've got like a really long menu, but you want to show all of those links inside your footer, and you want to split it over multiple columns, here's how you do it. I'm Imran Web Squadron. You got to make sure you're liking and subscribing and sharing. And of course, sign up and join our YouTube channel for exclusive videos. Take care. See you soon. Bye.